was behind in a IPL season, he got insulted by a drunkard. And so, who was responsible, Shah Rukh Khan or a drunkard?
So, as you mentioned, smoking is injurious to health. And I haven't seen any celebrity endorse it, but you said they did. For heaven's sake, it's mentioned on the packet itself. So, consumers and the brand is responsible.
I didn't say smoking, pan masala.
Smoking is injurious to health. Smoking causes eye skin
Like, you can't blame a teacher for teaching you something wrong because it's what they thought. And like, just by, if you see in the ads, the product doesn't assure you health, it assures you taste.
I'd like to put forward my views. A multinational company is far more bigger than the celebrity. Once it's already in the market, the celebrity is just trying to get attention towards the product. He cannot be a moral guide or a scientific expert for the product. Thank you.
Sir, you said that who's taking control over us, right? Like, you said if Salman can't drink Coke, then why are you drinking it? Sir, I'll take an example of the ad Horlicks. No celebrity is acting for it. Only small children. But some people still drink it. Why? They like the taste. That's why they're doing it. Not for the celebrity.
But as my birthday opponent said, that drinking only for taste. Then why do you influence huge mass of people?
Saina Nehwal's coach was asked to do for Pepsi Cola, but he refused to do because he knew the side effects. And he said, I'll do advertisement, but only for coconut water or fruit juices. But Ranveer Kapoor, even knowing that Pepsi Cola is harmful, but still did it.
Sir? Sir, even if like Madhuri Dixit wanted to know the secret, like if it was bad or good, Maggie, would the company leak all the secrets? They added something, it's not good. Would they leak it? They wouldn't, right? Why would they? If they had really said themselves, they would only stop it. But why? They can't leak it. They'll have a loss. They'll have a great loss. It's very popular in India.
You just can't blame Madhuri Dixit for all that. She's just doing her job. She's not been told what's wrong in it. And about as far as Maggie is concerned, we can take for example Amitabh Bachchan also. Everything was caught, like Maggie was banned after they have advertised it. And after it's being spoiled, like there's some problem in Maggie, you just can't point out to celebrities for that. I mean, you have the right to choose what's right and what's wrong. It's not that they come and put in your mind that please have this, please do this. It's you who make the choice.
As my birthday opponent just said, how could he know? How could he know that Maggie was bad? He had the cover in his hand, right? Why couldn't he see the back if it was picked by any food tester or any food company?
Every eligible citizen of the society after crossing 18 years of age has a moral social consciousness to do only good for the society but have no right to harm the other quality of life in a very negative manner. For example, to quote an instance, terrorists, they will be streamlining the youngsters, youth or elders on very unproductive lines, leading to a lot of massacre in the country. In a similar manner, celebrities or the charismatic people have no right to negatively canvass or resort to such kind of negative endorsement, thereby hampering the quality of life of the youngsters or future generations to come. Thank you.
I don't think the celebrity should be responsible for acting because in the movies as they act, the villain kills the hero or something.
Too far, come closer.
It's taken by what this is? The connection by ring. It connects to the.
In the movie, when the hero kills the villain, we see it as acting. He's acting only for money. But when it comes to advertisement, we blame heroes. Because his duty is to act, that's why he's called an actor or a celebrity. As example, for the thumbs up ad, Mahesh Babu, he gives thumbs up to one of the person who is standing beside him, and the person when he drinks the thumbs up, he goes flying into the air. Do you think it's true? It's not. So celebrities are not responsible for advertising. Like in a school, when the head boy or the head girl, they represent the whole school. So if they act as they're good students and they're good at studying, the whole school, the children follow them and respect them. And when heroes act, we say that heroes are responsible and because of them we are falling ill and all that. I don't think the celebrities should be blamed for this.
As one of the
Censor
audience.
boards have been evoked in our country, then why there is a need for a censor board in our country? If everybody are at their discretion to do whatever they want for money, just for acting or for anything, any such sort of thing, then why censor boards are there? Then why law and order situation is there in our country? There should be some kind of a regulation for it in order to stop all these atrocities, thereby trying to enchant the innocent minds of the public. You are not supposed to do such kind of act. It's not just an acting. It's trying to have a martyrdom kind of an influence on huge masses of the society through a demonstration effort which we call it as getting influenced by each other. That should not be there. Getting influenced by each other should be there on productive lines but not on unproductive lines. Thank you.
Sir, I'd like to say that some people are being lazy to actually